Welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video, just going to show you a little update on the back bed. So we're working on sort of the more arid side of things where the Butia is. But just off the top here, guys, just to show you quickly, down here, one of the ferns, you can see really starting to pop out. Love seeing these lovely knuckles as well. And you can see by my hand size, these are pretty good Diropterus knuckles on that. So I'm expecting, a reasonable size frond off of these here. So really glad that's transplanted well. Just down next to that, you can just see this little fern coming up. And apologies on all the weeds in the garden, guys. I haven't really gotten out. That is one of the bracken ferns. Now, I know that's typically just a common sort of woodland fern that you have here in the UK. But again, I've not seen it in too many gardens, and I do like its structure. It gets quite large as well. But let me just take you quickly down to the back here. And again, guys, apologies on all the weeds. You can see dandelions have had a absolute field day here. Just to show you in the middle from the last update, guys, lots more coming up. You can see loads of new fronds there. We've got one that's all the way up here. So, quite a few coming out. I expect over the next couple weeks that this will really, chuck out the rest of the fronds. Another thing, guys, as well, just to show you here, the brown fronds haven't started drooping yet, so I'm still going to wait for those before I do chop anything or do anything like that. As it is the kind of main one, I'm debating whether to leave the fronds on as a skirt or not. But again, we'll see once the new fronds come out on that. Just coming to the back here, guys. And again, apologies on the mess. Been doing a massive clean out from the large shed back here. Just see as we walk down, the Scotch brooms really popped out. Really kind of lovely sort of flowers on these as well. Just as we come around the back, guys, to the Tetrapanics. And you can see that leaf has really started to size up now. So great to see this putting out some great leaves. You can see lots of new ones in the center here as well. Again, actually doing really, really well. Just as we come back here, guys, and again, I'm going to try not to show the middle of the garden. It's got a bit of mess there. This is where we've got the bubbling stone bed, and you can just see here what I'll do is pan up this way and then come back and take a look at it. Just in here, guys, a couple new plants have gone in. Just see here one of the larger aeoniums, one of the larger sempervivums. Now these do get quite large rosettes, very, very pretty when it does come out. Just down here, guys, yucca jewel, doing pretty well for saying, again, that it's had some damage. You can just see some of the tips where it did essentially take some damage, but again, a lot better than the other specimen there. Just as we come down, guys, you can also see we've added this Apuntia cactus. Again, I'm going to start planting a lot more cacti back here, I think. I think this is, I'm kind of liking the vibe. I'd like a lot more, and just, again, to pull out some of that aridness. Aeonium, again, done really, really well. Colored up nicely since it's been outside. Just as we come back this way, guys, just to show you here. Butia, of course, looking great, really, really structural, lovely plant on that side. You see some of the old leaves there are suffering a little bit of damage, but a lot of that was from last year anyway. So again, not hugely fussed about that. Just looking back, guys, you can see now I've removed the irises that were here. Again, they were just looking shabby and just not kind of what I wanted on that side. So those have gone out. Down here, guys, as you may have seen, we've got the Chamaerops volcano. If you look inside, you can just see the yellow little flower spikes coming up, which is great to see from such a small plant. Trachycarpus next to it, again, that should kind of go up in height. So, I think this is going to stay short. That's going to go up in height. And part of the idea, guys, is in this bit here next to the little water feature is probably something like a rostrata, yucca rostrata there. I'd like some height sort of in the middle of this bed, and it will go nicely alongside that other yucca that's there as well. But really, guys, yeah, just a very brief video today. Just wanted to show you the couple new plants up on the bed, as well as, we've made a few changes back here as well. And you can also see, guys, just behind the water feature, there is that little blue festucia grass that's gone in, and the Musabastru bananas are starting to come back up, similar to these guys here, guys, which, again, absolutely tattered and ripped by the wind yesterday, which is a bit of a shame. Same thing with the onset. You can just take a look here. Some of the leaves have fortunately gotten torn, which is always a shame, but luckily, guys, for saying how much wind we had, it's still standing, so I can't be too upset with that. And lastly, guys, just show you, we've got one of the pink chinas just coming up here, which you can just see. So nice to see the colocasia starting to wake up as well. But yeah, with that said, guys, lots more content coming out soon. If you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, certainly check them out. Links will be in the pinned comments below. If you're not subscribed, certainly feel free to do so. We're very close to 1,000 subscribers now. Really appreciate all of you guys' support. Comments and all the love everyone shows on the channel. So with that said, guys, can't thank you enough for that. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.